Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So I do have some full coverage nail tips here, and I will be doing a mani using gel polishes from Nail Reserve. This is from the previous video, these colors, from the 6 colors that I picked out. So we have Thursday Drive, Perfect Tan, and Golden Crown. So before we get started, I do have Mia Secrets Extra Bond to apply on top of the nail tips so that it leaves a sticky layer that gives the gel polish something to adhere to. So once I do that, let that dry for a few seconds, and then I'll go in and apply. You can go in and apply a layer of base coat if you wish and cure that for 30 seconds, but I do believe I skipped the base coat on this go round. I can't really remember. No, I think I applied base coat. And then these are 30-second polishes that you cure in a UV LED lamp. If it's an LED lamp, it's 30 seconds. And I think if it's a UV lamp, you cure for 2 minutes. And then when you're doing your gel polish application, make sure that you apply your polish in a thin layer, because you want to make sure that that polish cures all of the way, because you don't want to touch uncured gel polish. And so with I believe it's the thumbnail and the ring finger, I will be applying Golden Crown, which is like a sheer glittery nude pink, kind of nude and pink. Nude is tan to me, but anyway, it's kind of like a sheer pink, and I'm applying that to those 2 nails because I am going to use some water slide decals. And then I'm applying Perfect Tan to one nail. It's a nice shimmery glitter, kind of looks holographic to me. And then Thursday Drive is a lilac color. I'm applying a thin layer of that to the rest of the nails, and then I will cure for a full 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And I'm just wiping off some of that excess polish because I don't want to apply a thick layer on the nail. Now with Nail Reserve, they do have a VIP program that you pay $29 a month, and you do receive a $29 credit, and it gives you it provides you with 50% off your gel polish purchase, along with free shipping and a few other things I can't remember off the top of my head. If you're not a VIP member, I do have a discount code that Nail Reserve has provided for me to give to my subscribers. It is Curly Kite Nails. It'll be in the description box below, along with the bit.ly link. That discount code will give you or provide you with 50% off your gel polish purchase of 2 polishes or more. After I apply the second coat of color and cure, I'm going in with some water slide decals. These are from Cocoa Decals. These are from the October subscription box, and I'm going to cut out 2 of the decals. I thought they were really pretty, and I do have a wet paper towel. I just place them, once I cut them out, I'll place them on top of the paper towel. And then for the 2 kind of nude nails, I am going in and applying a layer of base coat, because it's going to leave a tacky layer on the nail. And now the gel polish color will do that as well, but I wanted something fresh as far as the tacky layer. And so with the decal, just slid that off of the paper backing and pressing that on the nail and trying to smooth that out to the best of my ability. Once I get that decal the way I want it to be on the nail, I do go in and apply a layer of base coat and cure, a layer of top coat and cure, and then I file the rest of that decal off of the nail around the sidewalls and the cuticle area, and then I will buff the nail as well. And then I go in and apply another layer of top coat, I believe base and top coat, curing in between each layer. So as I mentioned, I did apply base coat and top coat, and so I'm just using a file just to file off that excess decal. I could have used scissors and cut off the excess, but I couldn't find my scissors. I was at my grandma's house when I recorded this video, and I'm sorry I get out of frame a lot in this particular clip just because when you file, that's why I don't do a lot of filing in my videos, because I have a tendency to hold either my nails or the fake nail closer to me so that I can pay attention to what I'm doing. And what I also noticed when I filed the free edge of the nail a little too much, and you may be able to pick it up on camera or may not. And so I'm just going in with a little buffing block and buffing that. And again, I applied base coat and top coat before I did this, because if you try to do it on top of the decal, you're basically removing the decal off of the nail. After all that buffing, I did brush off the excess, and I applied another layer of base coat, cured, and top coat and cured. And so here are the nails. I applied them with sticky tabs. So guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free 99. So I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.